A very good evening to everyone. Welcome to Global Online. And yes, here we are back with our NTA UGC-NET Paper-1 preparation for your December cycle, that is 2023 cycle, in which we are doing higher education unit, that is higher education system unit, which we have taken as a complete revision series in the form of MCQ practice questions, and we are live every day at 9:30 p.m. This is the session 3. Let me help you to understand. Prior to this, we have completed 2 sessions, and prior to that we have completed 3 units, that is teaching aptitude, research aptitude and communication, almost covering 100 questions from each unit. After higher education, we'll be doing people environment, we'll be doing ICT, and then we will go for a second cycle wherein we'll be taking the latest previous year question papers, which will help you to give a clear idea for the type of questions, will help you to prepare, will help you to understand the level of question, and you can prepare yourself best for this examination. That is one thing. For that, we also have brought up a complete course of paper 1. Now this complete course will help you to capture your questions, with the number of questions attempting to be correct and the target of 75 plus, with daily live lectures having in English and Hindi, full syllabus notes, 60 plus mock test. At the same time, we have mock test in every week also. So for this week you will be having mock test, that is tomorrow you will be having mock test for for the unit which we are doing right now. So the unit is higher education system. So be prepared, be ready, and you can also join our course with the help of Global Online app. The course price for paper 1 is rupees 3,600. You can have a 20% off if you go to the Global Online app. This is the app you can download with the help of Google Play Store. This is how the interface looks like. Once you purchase this course, you will be seeing the content, accessible content, in the form of your lectures by the faculty members, English, Hindi language, theory lectures, evaluation test, notes, mock test and MCQ. So this is all what you have. Yes, so let's not waste much of the time over here, and let's get to our session. Meanwhile, you can just make sure that you're sharing so that maximum number of students attend the session and try to learn out of it. Okay, so yes, if you remember, we have done 30 questions. We are now with 31st question on the screen. So let's read what the question is all about, and let's come to it. Okay, so we are having which of the following committees. We yesterday did some question on committees, but there are still some remaining. So we have the questions as which of the following committees recommend the setting up of National Commission of Higher Education and Research for prescribed standard of academic quality and defining policies for advancement of knowledge in higher education system. So we have the list of the committees like Sam Pitroda, Professor Yashpal Committee, Sharma Committee and Gananam Committee. Out of these committees, okay, the setting up of National Commission for Higher Education and Research, that is NCHER, for prescribed standards of academic quality and defining the policies for advancement of knowledge in higher education institutions, was done by whom? So who among them has prescribed this particular thing? Yes, so please try to write the question number, that is 31, and please give the answer. Now see, there are, we are doing a lot of questions. Make sure that you people are making this used very well and try to understand the topic and prepare yourself properly. So this will help you to get sure that you're cracking the questions properly and you're trying to gain maximum out of the session. So yes, let me come to the answer. Still on this, no one has answered me till on the chats, so maybe I'm assuming that students are still coming live. So just join quickly. And yes, let me tell you the answer for 31st question. So question number 31, yes, a very good, Moshmi. It is Professor Yashpal Committee who has recommended the setting of National Commission for Higher Education and Research with standards of academic quality and defining policies for advancements. Okay, so that is yes, very good everyone, right? Yes, let's move towards question number 32. Chairman of UGC committee was appointed in 1969 for the purpose of administrative legislation of the university was who? Was it D.S. Kothari, Daulat Singh Kothari as you studied yesterday, P.B. Gajendrakar, Yashpal, or none of the above? Professor Yashpal or none of the above? So which UGC, that is chairman of UGC committee, who was appointed in 1969 for the purpose of administrative legislation of the universities was? So who was that? Who was the one who was appointed for the purpose of administrative legislation of universities? Yes, everyone. Those who have joined quickly, I will just make sure today, I'll do little rapid fire the questions. It will help you to give an understanding that, okay, with a limited time frame, how you can do maximum number of questions. It will be little faster for you, but I want you to prepare with that practice, okay? So yes, when we talk about the chairman of UGC appointed in 1969 for the purpose of administrative legislatures of the universities, that was none other than that is Dr. Gajendrakar. Okay, this was the one, he was the one, who was appointed as the chairman with respect to the administrative legislation of the universities. 32, yes, Moshmi, very good. Okay, now let's come to question number 33. So question number 33 says that which of the following personalities is headed the committee recommended setting of 1500 universities to achieve the target of gross enrollment of 30%. So which of the following personalities headed the committee who recommended setting up 1500 universities so as to achieve the target of gross enrollment of 30%? D.S. Kothari, Sam Pitroda, or Professor Yashpal, or none of the above? So yes, little bit quick we will take the questions just to inbuild the practice of time management in you. Everyone, quickly, which of the following personalities headed the committee recommended setting of 1500 universities so as to achieve the target of gross enrollment of 30%? So which is that university, or what is that university called as? Yes, I hope I can get quick answers. This is done, this I have done in my theory class also, where we have studied this topic of gross enrollment of 30%. Yes, very good, Moshmi. So it is Sam Pitroda committee, or Sam Pitroda is the committee is the one who has given a target of setting up 1500 universities to achieve the gross enrollment up to 30%. Yes, very good. Coming to question number 34. Which of the following percentage figures was recommended by Kothari Commission as well as national policy that can be spent on education, that is 1986? So whether it was 4%, whether it was 5%, whether it was 6%, or whether it was none of the above. Now this is also done in my theory class, where I have prepared the notes on commissions, very short form of notes, and I have added this point. So you can understand reading the notes also has so much value. So which of the following percentage figures were recommended by both Kothari Commission and national policy that spent on education 1986? So it is 4%, 5%, 6%, or none of the above. So let me see how many of you. Question number is 34. So I am expecting everyone to write the question number, and this should not go wrong. This is something very repetitive in my theory class also. I have taken this very well many a times. So yes, very Moshmi, be careful. Which of the following percentage was recommended by Kothari national policy for the spend of education? And they have specified the commission, that is also 1986. So it was not 4% or 5%. It was basically 6%. Yes, Nipa has given the right answer. It is basically 6%. Very good. Okay, I hope I am just able to match up your little bit of time. As I said, today we'll be doing it little bit rapid fire type, just to make sure or build a habit of seeing the questions and instantly coming to the answer, right? Now question number 35. Which of the following states has maximum number of central universities? That is Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, or it is both of them, or it is none of the above. So which universities, which state has the maximum number of central universities? I'm talking about, see, with the respect to universities, no, till the time, till certain cycles, no, they used to give you, tell the total number of central universities, private universities, or maybe the deemed universities. So you should be ready for any type of question over here. Again, these questions are, it's coming from any topic. So which of the following states has the number of central universities? We are talking about what? We are talking about central universities. So let's see. 35. Can I get the question and the answer? Okay, very good. Yes. So NEPA is very correct. So the one, which of the following states is the states which has a maximum number of central universities is the state of Delhi. Okay, you have it as state of Delhi. Yes, very good. Correct. Fine. So now, question number 36. Which of the following institutions or organization publishes university handbook? Okay. So we have, the institutions or organizations which publishes the handbook, university handbooks. Yes, Ashwini, the answer is right, Delhi. So here the next question is about publishing of university handbooks. Is it UGC, whether it's Association of Indian University, is it inter-university centers, or is it Central Advisory Board of Education? So which of the following institutions or organizations publishes universities handbook? Okay, so which are they, or what are they known? Okay, the one which is, okay, the institutions or the organizations which publishes universities handbook. Yes, everyone. 36. No. University handbook, NEPA, just be careful. University handbook and others also, no, it is not by UGC. It is by Association of Indian Universities. The university handbook, which we are talking about, the one which publishes the university handbook is basically Association of Indian Universities, right? Okay. Now, the Association of Indian Universities, in which year was it originally set up? Is what 1925, 1945, 1953, or none of the above? So in which year the Association of Indian Universities was originally set up? So the year, you are supposed to answer the year. Okay. Yes, everyone. So in which year okay, yes, so it was year 1925, it was year 1945, it was 1953, or none of the above? In which year was the Association of Indian Universities was originally set up? Okay. Yes, it was year 1925. Okay, just let me check out the messages properly. So yes, 37th question, it was not 1945, it was the year which was originally setting off of Association of Indian Universities. It is original setup of a university was not 1945, it was 1925. Okay, be careful. Yes. Now, question number 38. Which of the following authorities is not empowered, okay, to bring a university into existence? So which authorities, okay, whether it is state government, whether it is central government, or whether it is UGC, which of them are not authorized to authorized to bring a university into existence? Not empowered. Okay, the question is telling they are not empowered to bring or into existence a university. So which of them are one among them? Yes, everyone. Question number 38. Little bit mistakes are happening. Which of the authorities is not empowered to bring a university into existence? It is UGC who is not empowered. So be careful. See, you are having, universities into existence in state and central, but not by UGC. No, Moshmi, it is, you cannot. University, it means you are talking about autonomous bodies. So who is not allowed to do that? UGC is not allowed to do that. Okay, it's not state government or central government. UGC is not allowed to bring that. Okay, yes. Now question number 39. So here now see the question number 39. No, how many universities were set up under the Universities Act 2009? Now this question can be even twisted, okay, with the number of figure, latest number of figure, but here they are talking about how many universities were set up, okay, with respect to Universities Act, okay, 2009. I'll give some time. So that students can think and then, they can answer the question. So there can be, little bit of twist in this question, which I'll tell you now also. Okay. So here, originally they were asking how many universities were set up under the Central Universities Act 2009. Okay, this question will be little bit twisted now. If okay, now see here, here little bit of mistake. I think you may be not reading the question very carefully. The one who is Vanita, now see here they give its act. So originally when the University Act was formed, it was 12 universities, right? But as I said, this question they can twist now. So they can come up with central universities figure, latest figure. As per, so last it was October, it was updated in the month of October, okay, I mean to say the start of the October. So now depending upon the updation, you have to see what are the total number of central universities. That is also the form of question which can be asked, so you should be a little bit ready for that. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now let's move ahead. Let's move to the next question. Those who have joined in late, home science, Trish, the one who has said a doubt. Home science, you have a recorded sessions, so you need to just find out from the given WhatsApp number. So WhatsApp number is reflecting, right? So you need to just find out from the WhatsApp number for which particular topic you want the classes. Fine. Yes, this is a new question. It's not a new question, Moshmi. It's only thing is I have twisted the question. The same question can be, they can tell you to bring up the central universities as per the latest update. Okay, that's only the twist, right? Fine. Yes. Trish, you can just talk to the concerned person on the WhatsApp. These numbers are WhatsApp and you can just get the details from them, right? Okay. Now question number 40, everyone. Which among the following constitute the majority of the institutions within the university system? So when we talk about, the university system, which among them is having a majority institutions? Central universities, state universities, deemed universities, private universities. Now please here, okay, there is any doubt? Latest, you mean to say the number, are you asking me? It's a long list. They will not ask you with respect to latest list, they will ask you with respect to number. Okay, so you should be very careful with the number, but still I'll tell you that also. So first, but in case if you just hunt for the list also, you will have a state wise, or you will be having you will be having your location wise. So we are talking about what? We are talking about the majority of the institutions which comes under university system. Okay, let us see. Yes, 40 A, B, 40. Okay, now see, yes, number is okay. Yes, just a second, let me clear this doubt now first. Now here see this question, no, when we are answering this question, now you have to be very careful over here with respect to numbers, as I said. Okay, just yeah, just give me, I will just check the latest update also. So as per my knowledge it is 56. Okay, but still before we, because you don't know very anytime they can, you know, just update and the list will be in front of you. So it is 56 and it is central. So both the questions I have answered. Okay, so it is 56 in number and central universities, but I'm just checking in any this last day or by today, is there any change or what? Okay, so just yeah, I'll just, don't worry, I'll just, before I end the class, I'll just tell you the right answer is Central University, but at the same time let me tell you the number is 56. As per my latest update it is 56. Still till the end of the class I will, you know, make sure that is 56 only. Okay, I hope it is answered very correctly. So total list as per the latest figure, it's 56 for Central. Okay, for state it is, yeah, state also it is given. So yes, so I hope let me check out for states also, so you will be very clear with the state also, with state university. I'm just checking up just to see whether it's any update in the last 1 or 2 days. Many times, you know, this has been skipped from my mind. So yes, so state, yes, so no, there is no update right now, and there is no list of, you know, this also currently with respect to the latest one is also not there. So I'll just once again check it. Okay, total it is showing, but it is not showing individually. Don't worry, I'll just update this figure at the end of the class. Okay, actually I should have kept that link how to show you. If not today, in the next class I'll show you know how to check the list, and you can just bookmark that particular link and go for that. Okay, right? Okay, fine. Now question number 41. Yes, now see, just don't get confused. 40 was the number, 41 was majority of enrollments in the university. So we are talking about, you know, majority of enrollments which happens in central university. Is it in state university? Is it in deemed university? Or is it in private university? So we are asking about what? We are asking about majority of the following constitutes of enrollment. So this is something with respect to what? With respect to enrollment. So enrollment is what? Okay, which universities has maximum number of enrollments? Yes, mostly it is yet 56. Okay, I just a minute. Here, yeah. Let me finish this. Yes. Okay, just a small no, statistically one small mistake we did. I just skipped, you know, I was just checking the update and that I skipped. Here I didn't highlight the answer. So 40th question, I'm just going back. Majority, so see, one thing which I skipped, majority of the institutions in the given list. So central, state, deemed and private they have given. So majority is, I just skipped this. So majority number wise it is state. So it is something 400 and something. Okay, 56. That's what actually I was checking. And enrollment is also majority happening in state university. So be careful that majority of the universities are of state and the enrollment also is happening in state. So this you have to remember. Now tomorrow I'll just keep the link, you know, in the next class how to check, because that updates you. So now I cannot, because till the time I do it your time will be wasted. So the link also I'll give you where to check, you know, the updated list always, right? Okay. Now coming to the next question. Okay, question number 42. universities having central campus for imparting education. So which universities have central campus for imparting education? Whether it is central universities, whether it is deemed universities, whether it is residential universities, or whether it is open universities. So which universities have central campus? So I hope you understand the question very well, and then you are coming to the answer. Don't just be in a hurry. Read it once again, and then you can come to the answer without making mistake. Okay, so now I hope I can go with the answers. Okay, so the one which is having central campus imparting the education, that is it's deemed university, central campus. So you have only one campus centrally located, centralized, which is imparting the education, that is deemed universities, right? Okay, coming to question number 43 right now. So which of the following agencies provide fund to IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University? I'll repeat again. Which of the following agencies? So in agencies, they have given University Grant Commission, they have given Ministry of Human Resource Development, they have given both A and B. So they are asking which of the following agencies which provide funding to Indira Gandhi University, Open University, IGNOU. So let's see how many of you are able to answer this. 40 answer I gave, Vinita. I gave 40's answers. Did you miss that? Okay, 42 also I gave, 41 also I gave. I went back and gave the answer. 43, yes, very good. So which of the following agencies provide funds? So the agency which provide funds is, no, it's not UGC. Please be careful. To IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi Open University, the funds are provided by Ministry of Human Resource Development, right? Okay, coming to question number 4, the university that telecasts interactive educational programs through its own channel. So there is a university which is providing interactive educational programs by its own channel. So it has its own channel and it is providing interactive educational programs. So it is Dr. Dr. Ambedkar University, or it is IGNOU, or it is University of Pune, or it is NMLI University. So which university is telecasting interactive educational programs? All those students who are live in the class right now, those who will be seeing it afterwards also, 44th question should not go wrong at all. You people are doing this since teaching aptitude also, so you know very well which is the university which telecasts interactive programs through its own channel. In fact, it should come in a fraction of seconds. Such questions you should not take time. It's very perfectly fit in your mind that which of the university gives educational program. So that is none another than, yes, it is none another than IGNOU. Yes, Indira Gandhi National Open University, right? Okay, now which of the following pairs of authorities are the top hierarchy in case of central university? So when we talk about central university, which of them are under the top hierarchy? Whether it is visitors and chancellors, visitors and vice chancellors, vice chancellor and chancellor, or vice president and vice chancellor. Yes, everyone. So which of them are standing at the top hierarchy in case of central university? So with respect to central university, which of them are a part of it? Yes, question number 45. Waiting for question number 45's answer. Okay. the one who are the top hierarchy in the case of Central University. So if it is in the case of Central University, it is, it is the visitors and the no, it's not vice president, it is the visitors and the chancellor, the one who has the top hierarchy in the case of, Central University. Please be careful, Central University hierarchy, okay, that is visitors and vice chancellor, they are the one who has the hierarchy with reference to Central University, right? Okay, so yes, this was all about today's 15 question. Let me remind you, today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. All the students who are really taking efforts and doing your best, for tomorrow we have a mock test on higher education system where you will be getting 15 questions on that. The analysis of the mock test will be done on the Monday, so make sure that you are studying best and attempting best. And at the same time, for paper 2, if you are looking for something in the form of notes and MCQs, we have that for the following subjects. You can prepare yourself with the notes. It is of 1 to, the cost price is 1280. You can get in touch with our team members so that they will help you out to sort your doubts. Okay, so yes, that's all for the day, everyone. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Yeah, thank you.